guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with
Shami.
Basically, I wanted to just, kind of do this video because I've been getting so many different type of questions related to this topic. So basically, we're gonna talk about little tips and stuff you can do to get slim thick. So a lot of people these days, first of all, the trend is to get slim thick. Like everybody wanna look thick and firm and curvaceous and just popping. So basically, a lot of girls, like slim girls, struggle with getting thick. Getting thick was never like a thing for me. It just came and I don't really have a problem with it. But this one, she's here in the video with me because she is obsessed with getting thick. Yeah, currently she's coming to the gym with me. She started her whole gym journey like 4 weeks ago, and so far it's pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys a before and after picture like right now.
So basically, my problem area is I have a hyperactive metabolism, meaning like I can't keep food in my system for very long, so I don't hold weight any at all. As I eat, I go straight to the bathroom. So going to the gym, I know a lot of people are probably ignorant and saying, why do I want to gain weight and go to the gym? Where it's not just only to lose weight, but you can gain through weight training. And I am taking supplements, as you guys may know. I'm taking the
It's the Dynamize Super Mass Gainer.
Yeah, I take it once to twice per day. And since I started about 2 weeks ago, I started taking the mass gainer like 2 weeks ago. I've seen a great difference. Like from taking the normal protein to taking the mass gainer, I've seen a huge difference in that. Yeah, my main reason for gaining weight was Jamaica Carnival. That's in April, and my goal weight is 135. Yeah, 135 pounds. I want to gain 15 extra pounds.
Yeah, because she's currently when she started she was at 115, so we haven't checked her. And on the journey, we don't really me personally, we don't like the whole scale checking business is unhealthy. Like, listen, you can be you will go into the gym, never work out before a day in your life, and you go and you were soft, your body was soft, and then weeks down the line, or probably a month or so down the line, your body, you notice it start look firm, it's transforming, but then you check back the scale and your weight is probably it's the same or probably a little less or a little more. And people get discouraged when they keep on checking the scale, because let me tell you something, if it is that you're trying to, say for instance, gain muscle and burn fat, gain muscle, you'd expect that you'd see increase in the weight, right? But sometimes the initial portion of training, that fat that you might have had before will transform into muscle, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Because weightlifting, right, muscle burns fat. I know it sounds crazy, but muscle burns fat. So the softness that you had before will look firmer because all the fat developed into muscle. And so for that period, your weight will, it will take a time and, trickle and increase as time go along. But I said, don't obsess over scales. Just look in the mirror, see what you want to work on more and tweak that. And I'm not saying you should just check the scale at all, but try not to every day, every week check scale. No, I personally don't like doing that. So yeah, but right now currently I prepare most of her meals daily, on a daily basis. So I prepare both of our meals, meal prep. So I ensure her body type is way different from mine. I'm shorter than her and I am thick. I'm not super thick or anything, but I'm thicker than what I was a couple months ago, because definitely that was a goal of mine. I didn't mind getting thick or whatever, but her body, the way it processes food is way faster than how my body processes food. So I need to know what to cut down at on a cut down on at a certain time of the evening. So like for instance, like I try to lower my carb intake, say from 5 o'clock. Sometimes I try to do it a little earlier, but it's so hard because most things that you want to eat have carbs in them. So like for her now, her body processes it way differently, like no problems at all. Like me, if I eat too much carbs, it will store in my lower abdomen, and I do not like that. For her, no problems where that is concerned. So she can literally eat. She could literally dirty bulk if she wants, but the thing with dirty bulking is that you're going to accumulate a lot of bad fats that you don't want at the end of the day, and those bad fats are going to be rather more challenging to burn off. So I don't really recommend dirty bulking if you're a really slim girl and want to put on weight. I can't really speak on the amphetamine since neither of us have ever tried it. I've seen a lot of people use it and it works for them. So yeah, but for now we're doing it the healthy way, and so far so good. If you want to take it to the gym, my tips are, you know, like, or what I recommend is like, number one thing, how often do you go to the gym? Some people believe that if you only go to the gym like twice or 3 times of the week, like, I'm not saying you won't be fit or whatever, but if you want to see serious results and you want that transformation, I believe at least 4 times a week. Currently we go to the gym 5 times a week, 5 days out of the week, and we're going to up it to 6 soon. And other people are gonna be like, oh, be careful, like no matter stress out in yourself or anything. My body is pretty accustomed to it now, and honestly she's taking her time. Like she doesn't do the same workouts right throughout that I do, or at least she don't do them the same way or with the same weights, because of course she is a beginner. So she needs to take her time and, you know, move, like build the strength basically. As I said before, I'm making this video because I've been getting a lot of questions on what I think, what I recommend, how to get thick, what are the best supplements, what to eat, what type of workouts to do. There's so many questions, so I said, you know, I should really just make a video about this. Somebody messaged me today and she asked, what do I use to boost my energy for intense workouts? So basically, as I mentioned before, again, supplementation. So like we take, you know, BCAAs or amino acid as you'd like to call it, and that really helps with endurance throughout your workouts and really, you know, help you to lift that extra weight.
Somebody DM'd me and asked me if it's just the first week that you feel like sore. Yeah, majority of the soreness is from the first week, and after that first week it goes away, but you're not stuck on like the same weight, if you get what I'm saying. You're not lifting the same weight consistently throughout the whole time you're going to the gym. You're going to go up, so it's inevitable that you're going to get sore here and there. Throughout.
Yes. If you go to the gym and you want to gain mass meaning muscle mass, you need to lift heavier. Lifting heavier is what will help to build the muscle. So if you're constantly if you've been going to the gym from say January, and when you just started out you were lifting 5-pound dumbbells, and then August come now and you still lift 5-pound dumbbells, and then you go get up and say that gym something and now work because me I come from January and me not get more, you're not gonna get your result, because guess what, your body is like after probably a week, you know, of lifting 5-pound dumbbells, your body just hit a plateau instantly. Like you barely even see no change. I don't even like, so you're not gonna get the size where you want, because you need to keep on upping your weights, you know. And once the heavier you lift, the less reps you do. She's currently lifting weights that she couldn't lift in her first week. Like she was literally doing baby workout, and then at the end of the week, at the end of that day, going into the next day, she was extremely sore, to the point where she probably felt like somebody beat her up, right? Like even me, because I took a long break. Like I took a month break, and that's the thing, I don't like breaking from the gym too long. It's like I'm starting all over again, but not really, because there's something named muscle memory. So you're not like, it's not gonna be as rough for you as a complete beginner. But yeah, we were both extremely sore. So yeah, if you want to gain weight, going to the gym, definitely lift heavier. Try to really focus on your form. Really just focus on your form. And I know a lot of girls that really want this slim, thick appearance. They want the lower body to look very, plump. So they're focusing on legs and glutes. And the thing is, they might say, oh, can you work one area of the body every day, like for all the days that you go to the gym? No, you absolutely can't. You shouldn't be working any body part for more than probably twice a week. Once you're doing more than that, you're killing the whole purpose of the thing. Like, you're just eliminating all the work. You're burning off the mass, basically. So you don't want to overwork one specific area of the body too much. No. Currently we have like 3 legs day out of the week. 3, yeah, that's right. Because the legs, like, it's a big part of the body, so you have different parts of the legs. So what we do, we split up the legs in different parts for each day. So like on legs day 1, we'll focus on quads. Legs day 2, we'll focus on hamstrings. Legs day 3, we'll do glutes and like calves. So you see, it's like simplified. So like we do like 3 days, which you can do like 3 days, which is fine, but we space out the days them. Like we're not doing it back to back because each part of your body needs rest, so you can't constantly be working it, so that's just to answer another frequently asked question. It's like everybody wants a cinch waist and they want big thighs and big booty. So how do you get a cinch waist? Trust me, you need to pay very close attention to that. So with your waist, basically majority of that has to do with diet. Trust me, diet. Like, as I said before, I try to cut off on carbs at a certain time of the day. That's key. Like, because you need to eat carbs at your most active point in any day. So if you're going to get up and go to work in the morning, you have your carbs, you can't have it literally after your workout because it's going to burn off back easily. But say your slower part of the day, if you should have carbs at the slower part of your day, then it's going to be harder for it to digest. So for instance, you're going to eat carbs like an hour before you go to bed. Trust me, that's going to just settle and store, and it's going to convert into fat. And I know it sounds a bit technical, but yeah, just to let you guys have an idea. We meal prep because it's just easier. Sometimes it's easy to fall off when you say going on a health journey, because number one thing is you can't easily find meals on the road like that. Like you go to Burger King, KFC, you need to make sure you have protein, your proteins prep, your carbs, your vegetable, yeah, just to simplify it. And you can snack on like nuts and more vegetables in between. It's over time my body kind of got used to the flow, so I don't mind when sometimes, like when I feel peckish, I'll go and grab cucumber, carrot, like late at night when I know I'm not supposed to be eating anything else. You need to definitely cut down on sugars, even natural sugars, because some people, I feel like them say, oh, I'm going on a diet, I want to slim this waist down, but then I'm eating a ton of bananas, a ton of watermelon, they're eating all this sugar, which it's still sugar even though it's natural sugars. So you need to just cut down on sugar, like overall, generally. Everybody body processes food differently, so I can't tell you that what works for me is necessarily going to work for you, but there are certain base things that you can follow, like guidelines, and you over a period of time, you eat different things and you see how your body reacts to it. So then say, alright, I'm not gonna really to touch that, more eat that because my body not really troubled by it or whatever. So yeah, that's the whole diet portion. We have 4 to 5 meals every day currently. There were times when I was having like up to 6 meals a day, and that would mean each meal is in smaller portions, because sometimes they can get so hungry being on a health journey, but right now we're not at the strictest point in our diet, so we do have cheat days, so we just kind of just breathe and eat whatever, which this one really love. Like today she had KFC, you haven't had KFC in like a month, right? So, and she is a crap eater. Like, she would just eat fry, like, so and more belly bus, more one 3-piece, more one fry. There was a point where it's just pure foolishness this girl eats, and her skin just break out, and she didn't. Me didn't want, you know, that gym thing that she used to mount me off wicked. So I was so surprised when she said she's going to start the gym with me, and here she is. She's on her mass gainer so far so good. The bottle is basically finished right now, so she need a whole new one. And trust me, when my mother and I look at her, we're like, what? So she's basically here as my little, you know, experiment, you know. Yeah, I'm not her trainer. I'm not a trainer.
You don't want someone to be your trainer.
Why not?
You see, alright, you would want her to be your trainer if you definitely have no motivation and you want like somebody where go like make you feel bad if you not do it. Like if you not come gym, she go like make you feel like why I'm bad at skip it, God, cause she go just come down for me. And when you do go, this is someone is just awful in the gym.
No, guys, me tell her, so me just fix your farm.
Push you to your breaking point where you just want to take up one sit and fling pan her.
Isn't that what you want?
Listen, sometimes you just want, you know what?
You just want what? Tell me. Chill at the gym.
Chill.
Wait, people are spending hard-earned money over here to go to the gym on a daily basis. You gotta pay for a trainer. You have to pay for membership. You have to buy supplements.
Listen,
healthy
what I mean
food is not cheap.
What I mean when I say chill, like you will literally just bounce out a two, try and make a two slide out of the set. You missed 2 while ago, 6.
No. You know, I realize from what they have bare teeth in she depend with
you
the
know, I really don't. I just try do it fast and come fast, and then she come over.
Come fast. No. Number one rule: you do not rush. You focus on form over speed. Period.
But a lot of the times, I actually do it, and she come. It's not that you do. You have 2 more left. I'm like, son, I did it. So
even I'll say yesterday, Shami, my sister you cheat that one day a while ago. You think me never that look? Yeah.
My
say something now.
Sometime, but my not teeth during something. Like yesterday, I don't know what I about. Probably true, me never go down in it fully, but me do it.
That's pretty much just some of our thoughts. Let me know if this was helpful. If you want me to show you my supplementation, a full day of eating, and like a really killer legs day workout, I'll incorporate that into my next fitness video. But I'm not gonna do it unless you guys say you want it, because I don't want to do it and then you don't want it. So yeah, this video was, as I said before, it was just to answer some of you guys' questions and enlighten you. I don't drink the mass gainer. She drink the mass gainer. I drink regular protein shake, because if I'm supposed to drink mass gainer, I'm gonna get way too thick, and I don't want that at all. You know, she's naturally really skinny and she's taller than I am, so you know, I just drink my regular protein shake. But as I said, I won't get specifically into the different supplementation right now. I'll do that in a next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Carnival series still a continue. I just, you know, just a little break. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in my next video.